In this video I'm going to show you how to copy with this printer. So we can do the color and the black copy. So first thing is to place a document for the copy. Place it facing downwards here. Take the paper tray out. Now go to the control panel. Here we can see the copy button. So we can do two copies, so press it twice. So this is the color copy. So once I do that, next we will do the black copy. For black copy, press this white light or this button. If you press once, it will do one copy. Thanks for watching.